Crikey, it is grim out here, but that is not going to stop us from burning stuff.
Oh no, where can I get some excellent quality cheap wood items to burn?
Right, I think this is going to be a challenge. You apply heat to wood and it will burn. Now, larger bits of wood can take quite a bit of heat, but small bits, they can catch your eye easy. And these are small bits. I'm going to have to be super careful that these don't just end up as a pile of ash. I'm going to put these together like every IKEA product should be, without the instructions. Great, the weather's much better now, so while there's a break in the weather, let's give this a go. This is the most critical part of the project. These need to be burnt enough to give a good effect when we wire brush them back, but not too much, just to set alight, wasting the time and money already spent on them. Good news, they have survived. This is such a relief, but I've noticed these sections that have burnt a little too much. Now, the question is whether these will survive through the wire brushing. The wire brushing will remove the charred surface to reveal the grain. Right, these are brushed back really well. This one, but the other two are great. All that's left to do now is dye them and varnish. These look pretty good, except for this dole thing, but the chair and small crate I'm really pleased with. If I'm being super critical, I think they could have been brushed back slightly harder to give a better contrast between the charred and dyed grain. Other than that though, it's been a great way to add some interest to some pretty bland cheap IKEA buys. If you've enjoyed the video, a quick like and a subscribe would be nice, and I'll see you in the next project.